morning, dear student. Prayer. Today we start a new chapter, chapter 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. First we are going to see what is plane figures and solid shapes. In our daily life, we see so many objects like a ball. This is one shape. What is this shape? This shape is like a spear, isn't it? Then another shape, this one, another shape, then another, this is cuboid shape, cuboid. Rectangles are all the faces and this is cuboid. Then this is a cellotape inside portion, this cellotape is over and this portion, this is like a cylinder, then box, this shape, then book, another shape, then box, this box, cardboard box, another shape, then another shape is, this is another shape. Many shapes in our daily life we are seeing. Then we learned about solid shapes in class 6. Do you remember? Today I recall that this is a cuboid shape. These four faces are rectangle shape. These two shapes are square shape. Isn't it? This is a cuboid. Then another shape, cube. All the faces are squares. Then another shape, this is sphere. Then next is a cylinder. What is the speciality of cylinder? Both these two sides are in the shape of a circle and this surface is a curved surface. This surface is known as a curved surface. This is a circle face. This is also circle face. Another is a cone. Okay, example birthday cone, ice cream cone, like that. This base is a circle and this is also curved face. Next is a pyramid. This is known as a pyramid. This pyramid base is a square and all other faces are triangle. This is a square pyramid. Now take your textbook, page 277, chapter 15. Here, try this. So match the shapes with the name. So first shape is this shape and this shape is a cylinder and option B is correct. So match like that. Then second shape is this shape. This shape is a sphere. So option D is correct. So write here. You can write here. Okay. Then third is this shape and this is a cuboid. So option A is correct. Then fourth is this shape and this is cube. Option C is correct. And fifth shape is this shape and this is cone F. Option F is correct. And the last shape is this shape and this is pyramid and option E is correct. Now take page 278. There also one question for match the following. Match the two-dimensional figures with the names. First given, this is rectangle and option B is correct. Then second is circle, option A is correct. Third, triangle, option E is correct. Then fourth one is square and option C is correct. And fifth is quadrilateral. Four-sided figures are known as quadrilateral and option D is correct. In starting of this video, we saw some objects we are handling in our daily life. These all objects have length, breadth, height and they occupy some spaces. So these shapes have three dimensions. Three dimensions means length, breadth and height, and each object occupies some space. So these type of figures, shapes are called three-dimensional shapes. In page 278, we done one match the following question. In that question, given circle, rectangle, square, quadrilateral, triangle, these all shapes have length and breadth. These shapes are two-dimensional figures. We call this two-dimensional and three-dimensional figure in short 2D and 3D shapes, or 2D figures and 3D shapes, like that. Okay. Now next is the faces, edges and vertices of these solid shapes. So what is this? This shape is a cube shape. Okay. Now vertices. Vertices means these corner points are called vertices. So how many vertices? Here 4, here 4. Total 8 vertices. Okay. Next is edges. Do you know edges? Edges means these line segments. These line segments are called edges. Here these line segments, these joining line segments is known as edges, and for a cube there are 12 edges. Now faces. Do you remember faces? Faces means this flat portion. So how many flat portions? 6 flat portions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 faces for this cube. Next, net of 3D objects, 3D shapes, net. So this is a cuboid shape, isn't it? Cuboid shape. Its net is, we open this shape, then we get a shape like this. This is the net of a cuboid. Now check here how many rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, 6. Okay. So this is the net of a cuboid. Like that, cube shape also has 6 faces. So how many faces here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that, the cube shape also have 6 faces like this. Now net of a cylinder. Net of a cylinder contains 2 circles and 1 rectangle. Okay, net of a cylinder, 1 rectangle and 2 circles. Circle here, and we cut this and open, we get 1 rectangle and 2 circles. Now net of a square pyramid. If we take a square pyramid, then its base is square. So its net contains a square shape. Then its 4 sides triangles. So its net is like this. So this is a net of a square pyramid. Like that, in this page 280, here given net of a cube, net of cylinder, net of a cone, etc. Net of a square pyramid, etc. You please check and study it. Now page 281, exercise 15.1, question number 1. Identify the nets which can be used to make cubes. So here given 6 different nets. Now check yourself which options we can use for making cubes. So option 2, option 3, option 4, option 6. These 4 options we can use for making cubes. Now question 2. Dice are cubes with a dot on each face. Opposite faces of a die always have a total of 7 dots on them. Here are 2 sets to make dice. The numbers inserted in each square indicate the number of dots in that box. Insert suitable numbers in the blanks, remembering that the number on the opposite faces should total to 7. So here given in question, dice are cube. Each face have numbers. Here one special thing is that the number on the opposite faces total is 7. So here we need to fill. Here given 4, 5, 6 and these two columns we need to fill. So opposite is 1 and 6 are opposite. So this portion and this portion are opposite faces. So here 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now this face and this middle face are opposite faces. So 3 here, 3 plus 4, 7. And this are opposite faces. So 5 plus 2, 7. Same way like here 6 and 1 are opposite faces. And then here this number, this face and this face are opposite. So here we need to write 4. And these two faces are opposite. Then here 5. Now question 3. Can this be a net for a die? Explain your answer. So this is can it be a net for a die? So check with this. First 1, 2, then 5, 3. Here 3, 4. Here 4, 6. Here 5, 6. This is correct method. We already find now. Now 1 and its opposite is here, this face. So 4 plus 1, answer is 5. That is opposite sides sum is not 7. So this is not correct. Like that 3, this face and this face are opposite. 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is also not 7. So this is not a net of a net of a die. Now question number 4 is deleted. We don't need to study. Question number 5. Match the nets with appropriate solids. So here given solid shapes and its net. So first one, a cube. Its net is second option. B, cylinder. Its net is third one. And C, cone. Its net is fourth one. And D, square pyramid. Its net is first one. So I think all of you got square, second, cylinder, third, cone, fourth, square pyramid, first one. So this exercise is completed. Next topic we will discuss on next class. So study well. Thank you.